Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos that are helpful and easy to understand.
Understanding whether sealed records appear on FBI background checks is a common concern. It is a complex area of law. Many people believe that once a record is sealed, it completely disappears. They think it is invisible to everyone, including federal agencies. This belief is often incorrect. The reality is more nuanced. A sealed record is indeed removed from public access. State courts issue orders to seal records. These orders prevent the general public from viewing specific criminal information. This often applies to juvenile offenses. It also applies to certain minor adult convictions. These records are not destroyed. They are simply hidden from most standard background checks. However, the FBI operates differently. The FBI conducts comprehensive background checks. These checks access various national databases. They utilize the National Crime Information Center, NCIC. They also use the Integrated Automated Fingerprint Identification System, IAFIS. These systems are federal resources. A state court sealing order primarily governs state-level access. It does not always dictate what federal agencies can see. The FBI maintains its own extensive criminal history records. These records are not always subject to state-level sealing orders. When a record is sealed by a state court, it means it is removed from public view. It is generally not accessible through routine state background checks. However, federal agencies, including the FBI, operate under federal statutes. They have access to national databases. These databases include the National Crime Information Center, NCIC. They also include the Integrated Automated Fingerprint Identification System, IAFIS. A state sealing order might not automatically remove information from these federal systems. The FBI's own records may still contain the underlying arrest or disposition data. This is particularly true for fingerprint-based background checks. These checks are highly comprehensive. They cast a wider net. They can sometimes reveal the existence of a sealed record. They might show the fact that a record was sealed. They might even show the underlying details. This happens especially when the check is for federal employment. It also applies to security clearances. It applies to other sensitive federal positions. For instance, if you apply for a federal job that requires a security clearance, the FBI's access is very broad. They often have a need to know that supersedes state sealing orders. This means they might see the original charge. They might see the disposition. They might also see that the record was subsequently sealed. The specific impact depends on several factors. These factors include the nature of the offense. They include the specific federal agency conducting the check. They also include the purpose of the background check. It is crucial to understand this distinction. A sealed record does not mean it is erased from all government memory. It simply restricts public and, often, state-level access. Federal law enforcement and intelligence agencies often retain access for specific purposes. This ensures national security and public safety. If you have a sealed record, it is wise to consult with an attorney. They can provide specific legal advice. They can explain how your particular sealed record might affect federal background checks. This information is for general understanding only. It is not legal advice. Always seek professional legal counsel for your specific situation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful content.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.